Hello friends, welcome to a new video. This video is about Revit, and we will focus today about element size, or the element we are using inside Revit, like the column or maybe ceiling. So we will focus how to we can bring the modification we want, like changing the size or changing the material. So to do it, we will start a new project, and we will do some we will build a model, and we will use this model to change everything we want to change. So let us start. We will click on open, not open but a new project. So we will click on OK, and we will just wait a little bit so that Revit can be ready. So now our workplace is ready. What we will do is to go to sort view like we used to do, and we will just give here we already have 2 levels, and we will add some level for the slab and for the ceiling. So what we will do is to like I used to do, I will change this distance and bring it in meter. So we'll go like we used to do in project unite, and we will click on it, and we will come here at this point and we'll change in meter. So we click on OK and OK again. Now we have it in meter, and we will put some more levels. This distance we can also change it and bring it to or leave it like this. And what we will do is to copy everything, to copy the level, and we will make the place for the ceiling, so that we can have 0.3, and we click on enter, and we can go out. Now we can also change the name of this level. So we change and call this one L0, and this one we will call it L1, and the one here we will call it L2, and the next one, the one here, we will call L3, enter, and now is ready. So now we can check our floor plan if we have everything we need. If we don't have it, we can go to view, and we will click on plan view, and we will see what is missing here. Yes, now we can see we are missing the level 0 and the level 2. So we can choose the first one, level 0, and click OK, and we see our level is appearing here. And do the same for level 2, and we can click OK. We also see our level 2 in this place now. So what we will do is to we will close this level for the first time, and we can check a little bit. Yet now what we have in the side view. So we can go to level 0 to start to design. We will start with the slabs, so that we can go to structure and choose the slab. We click on the slab and choose the way we want to design our slab. We want to use the rectangular mode to design our slab, so we will click on it, and After we will come here and give our size. We want our slab to be 30 centimeter big because we defined in the level 30 centimeter. So we will click on 0.3 to define our slab. So now that we are ready, we can start to design. We can give here, and when we finish, we can click on OK, or we can click on OK. So this is our slab. Now that we finish our slab, we can check in 3D to see if the size is okay. So we open the 3D view, and we can check that is correct. You can also check here, and we see everything is inside the place we needed. So now we go back to level 0. It's time to design the wall. So we will go back to architectures and click on the wall, and we can change the material we are using. That means we will choose concrete. That is what we want to use, the material we want to use. We choose concrete. And now it's time for us to choose the connection. That means we want our wall to begin on level 1 and to finish at the level 2. So this is what we want, and we can plan it like this. And now we can start to, before we start to design, we can push a little bit, make a little bit space between the slab begin and the wall. So that means we will give here maybe 0.4, and we can start to design. You see, you can have it here like this, and this place, and we can close it here. So now we have our place here, we have our world here, and when we finish, we can check in 3D. We can confirm yes, everything is okay, and we go out from the function. We can also maybe put some interior wall like this. We can remove the distance we give here because we don't need it anymore. So we can give, and here okay, now we have it like this. This will be the sleep room, maybe sleep room here, and here we can put can even separate it like this so that we can have more place, and make maybe a floor here. Okay, now that we finished this one, we can go back, we can go out from the function, and we will start to make a change. So we can, let us finish with the ceiling first. We will put the ceiling up, and then we can start to change what we want to change. So I will go out. This is how it look like in 3D. What we just designed, this is how it look like. So now we go back again to this level, and what we will do is to put the cover, that's me, the ceiling that we want to put here. So we will come at floor, and what we will do is to choose our material first. We will choose this one, and we will indicate where we want our ceiling to begin. We want it at level 2. We begin at level 2, and now that we choose it, we can click, we can start, give a little bit space here, 0, let us say 0, 2 inside, and now we can start. We can start, and now that we finish, we can click on OK. Don't attach. Okay, now that we have it, let us check what we have in 3D. This is what we have in 3D. This is what we have in 3D. But like I said, you realize this this ceiling is not at the right place. It's supposed to be here. You see, it's supposed to be here. And this is the first problem we have. So why do we have this problem? This is the first thing we will correct. You see, we have here space between the ceiling and here and the wall. So this is the first thing we will correct. We have this problem because our ceiling is not big. The size is smaller than what we choose. That's than the space we leave here. Here is 30 centimeter. We leave 30 centimeter for the building part, for the ceiling. But now we have, this is not 30 centimeter. So let us check. Okay, what I was saying is we want to correct this place. We want to correct this place, and what we can do is to click on it like we did, and we will come at this place here, edit type, click on it, and what you see here is all information concerning our building part. That means the size, that means the material, and so on. So we will click on edit, and we will want to change the size. What we will do is to give here 29, and here we will give 1, so that everything will make 30. Okay, now that we did it, we can also change the material. That is what I was talking about. We can come here and decide if we want our material to be maybe wood or any type of concrete or plastic, I don't know. So this is the place we can choose the material. So we will choose to have maybe let us take what can we choose here? We can choose something that can make a difference. That means we will choose wood. Let us choose wood, and when we finish, we can click on OK. Now that we click on OK again, and apply, and we can see how the behind is already changed. So we click on OK, and now we have another material here. Now we have, if we click by the side, we can see now we have wood. It's not the same, it's not concrete anymore, and the size also change. And you see this space, the space we used to have here just disappear, and now it's because it's not really the time I move it. And apply. Now you see everything is now correct like we wanted. Everything is now correct. The material is, we have changed the material, and we have also changed the size, so that everything is now okay. This is what we have. And we can also we can remove, to work inside, we will remove this cover. To do it, we will come on this function hide, and hide element. We want to remove the element because we want to work inside, so we will hide element, and this place will be removed. Now we want to change the material. We want to change this word, and choose something else. We can change by going at this place. We want to use brick, so we will choose brick, and now you see we have brick here. If I go out, you can see now we have brick here. We can also do the same for this part. We can choose it like we did the one before, and we will choose here and choose concrete again, brick again, and apply, and you see this part also change. We can also change this one and make it maybe something different. I don't know, combination of this combination, and click apply, and you see what we have here. So that is how we can change. We can even decide, okay, we want to change the size of the word. We click on it, we click on edit, and here we have everything concerning the word, how high the word is, and so on. So let us go out a little bit, and if I click on edit, this is all the information I have concerning the word. Let us go out from this one, and I will click on this one and edit, and now we have any information that concern this word. We can change the size, we can change the material we are using there, we can change everything. So this is what I wanted to share with you, how to change the size, how to change the material of the element we already designed. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice weekend. Ciao.